Hey boys and girls, another unboxing video. I got a package from HLJ today, or not today, yesterday, and I'm gonna show you what's in it. Sorry, no update on the Zerko 1. I got very sick. That maybe excuses the bad voice, but I'm on my way up. It's all good. So, what came in this box? First up, it's the Gian close combat prototype. Quite odd design. This is the number 2 in the high-grade Universal Century line from 1999, and I like this kit because it's kind of odd. It's a fencing mobile suit, specifically designed for the fencing abilities of its first and only pilot. And as you can already see, very large suit, very big. This is not the shield, this is only part of the shield. You're gonna see the leg pieces here, quite substantial for a high-grade kit, molded in this light purplish color. And here in the back, that's the shield. Look how ginormous that is. I mean, that's something. Excuse me. And this odd beam saber in sort of a fencing shape, whatever. Yeah, very interesting. And you can even put him in this fencing pose. Yeah, nothing more to say really. I like the odd design, like a design like a knight's armor, medieval. I think that's something else. All right. On to the next one. Hey, it's a goof. It's a goof. This is the Goof Custom, and it's the high-grade version. This came out in 2010, so it's not that old, and it's actually really nice. If you look at the side here, I really like the proportions of the high-grade kit. Compare this to the master grade on top. Well, that's nice. Nice as well, but I like the bulkiness of the high grade. Yeah, nice. Let's have a very quick look inside. We are greeted with the ammo feed for the Gatling gun and the nice heat sword. Really like that. Here, clear parts for the chest. Feed, piping, the normal stuff you get with a goof. The shield. Here's some cabling for the enter hook. The 2 stickers for the mono eye and the lens of the of the Gatling gun. Aiming mechanism. Scope, as you call it. Leg parts. The shoulders, and interesting that the horns are cast separate. That's kind of nice, so no seam line there. Some inner frame detail parts. shield, more legs, feet, more shoulder parts. Hands, here's the infamous Gatling gun. With all these round parts, the parts for the infamous shield that holds the Gatling gun. Interesting hand design, I think. The palms look quite interesting, I think. Nice stuff. Some polycaps in the middle. Yeah, and that's basically it. Yeah. There's Mr. Norris. Straightforward. Yeah, nothing much to say about this. It's a cool kit, but sorry. The reason I brought you here